it's ItsRizzyRach and I'm back with a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a really huge bun like mine. I've never really shown anyone how to get a big bun, so I'm excited to show you guys. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so for starters, this is like day 5, day 6 hair, I think. Yeah, I wash my hair once a week because if you wash your hair more than once a week, you're just gonna be stripping the natural oils out of your hair. So I try to avoid that as much as possible. And my hair can endure like a week worth of not getting washed. So this is my hair. It's gonna get washed tomorrow, but I decided on my last day, I might as well film a really big bun tutorial. So you really just need a couple things to achieve this look. One thing is, of course, a water bottle. You're gonna need a comb. You're gonna need any type of gel. I'm using, again, the Eco, not the argan oil this time, just using this purple one. And you're gonna need a brush. So I have a 2-sided brush. Again, this one's the hard side and this one is the soft side. So basically we use the comb as a way to make our ends fluffier, because our ends is basically what forms your whole entire bun. So if your ends are like really spiral and has no volume, then your bun isn't gonna have any volume. So go ahead and brush out your ends. You don't have to do your whole entire head unless you just don't have a lot of volume in your hair, but just brush out, you know, the ends until you feel like you're at a desirable volume. Okay, so as you can see, I finished combing out most of my ends, and it doesn't really look that different because my hair does have a lot of volume naturally. So yeah, that's that. So the next thing that you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to spray your hair where you're gonna be brushing down. So don't go anywhere near your ends, just spray your hair over here. Go ahead and add the gel. Be extremely generous with the gel because you want to make sure that the bun stays. So again, I'm using the Eco styling gel. I'm not even going to show y'all how much gel I add because I don't even know how much I'm going to add. Okay, so now that I finished adding all the gel to my hair, y'all can probably see all that gel in my hair is gonna be sleek back. Well, it's not gonna be sleek back, but it's gonna be laid. It's gonna be extremely laid. So now we get to the part where we just need to brush our hair and actually form the bun. So how to do the bun, go ahead and flip your head over and you're going to gather up all of your hair and decide where you want your bun to be placed. So me personally, I like my bun on the very top of my head, so I'm gonna place it there. But if you like it in the back, that's also fine. Okay. Turn over. Okay, so I have placed my bun at the very top of my head. So now what you're gonna do to actually get the bun made is you're gonna get your hair tie, and you're gonna go with the hair tie, you're gonna go through your hair halfway through your hair. So right here, not all the way, halfway, then you're gonna do it again, go all the way through it this time. If you want to bobby pin this little part up here, you can, or you can just wrap it around your bun. And if you want to make your bun bigger, you can just pull it and kind of figure out, you know, where you want it to be bigger at. So yeah, bigger the better. But this is just how you get the generic bun and how you do it in 3 easy steps. So I'm gonna go do my edges and I'll be right back. So this is the final look on how I get my huge bun with a simple tip, which is combing out your ends to make it fluffier, bigger, and more voluminous. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it helped you guys for your future bun journey. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.